I will apply the Morning Glory directly to my hair first. It's super flat. So this is 2 weeks later. 2 weeks that I've had in this quick weave. Yeah, so I'm definitely ready to take out these bundles, wash them, and save them. Quick weave still look good. No track slipped out. Because I use that Morning Glory, I can easily just pull it with ease. I can just pull it off because the cap is still here. I want to show you guys how easy it comes off. Like, look, I just wet the cap and then I put shampoo on it. Everything is out. Okay, so here's my leave out, my little foundation. So basically the entire perimeter of my hairline is out, plus the middle part. And now I'll go ahead and just cornrow all of this middle section back. Okay, my bundles came in, so yeah, we ready to install the quick weave. Oh, we got 4 bundles, 28 inches. Oh, I'm so excited. What's this? Oh, it's a bonnet. They did it. Oh, so hype. So really quick, like I said, here's my leave out, this middle piece, 2 sides coming around, plus this back. Okay, everything I'm using. 4 bundles, 24, 26, 28, 28 inches. Okay, hair glue. Morning Glory. Well, this is the one that's by Salon. Pro 30, a weave protected. Protect your hair from the glue. A stocking cap. I got this from Family Dollar. And got to be glued free spray. This little brush thingy for the Morning Glory. So, like I said, I will apply the Morning Glory directly to my hair first. Not my leave out. Make sure I get this area right here where I'm going to put that glue line at for my stocking cap. As well as this top section where that last track is going to follow up at. And of course everywhere else. Alright, so I'm going to apply my stocking while it's still wet. Whew, that blow dryer be heat, baby. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing to the top of my stocking as well.
And yes, make sure you watch to the end of the video so I can show you how you remove this cap. It is the easiest process because I am using this Morning Glory. So don't be alarmed by using all of this product, all of this protection.
Alright, now I will blow dry this until it's completely dry. So probably like 10 minutes straight. Oh yeah, and before this completely dry, I'm going to go around the perimeter with my hair glue. Look at that. How old is this glue? I did like 3 layers of Morning Glory, so no, I am not worried about the hair glue getting onto my hair and not coming out at all. I'm going to the beach and I need my quick weave to last. Even if I put my head in the water. I ain't gonna do that, but okay, I'm gonna add my got to be glued once. I don't feel like it's really necessary, but I don't know. I'm gonna just do it just because. Alright, everything is dry now, so let's cut it. I did that. That looks so good. Now that's how you protect your hair for a quick weave, baby. Okay, time for the bundles. And my next track, I'm ready to curve it. Okay, so I'm down to my last 2 tracks. One right here and the last one will go right on my part. They look really good. It's super flat. Okay, so I'm going to detangle my hair. This is just water. Okay. So I'm not even going to flat iron all of my edges. I'm just going to do the middle. This is it for now. All right, y'all, really quick update. I did my hair last Thursday and today is Saturday, so it's been about a week and 2 days. This bonnet, I don't know what I would do without this bonnet that they sent me. It has been heaven on earth, because let me tell you, I have had on this bonnet for like the last 5 days, but I did detangle it the other day and put in these 4 braids. And here's my leave out. I'm ready to wash just the middle section because I don't need the edges out. I'm not swooping anything behind my ear. I'm sure it'd be cute curly too, but so let me wash my leave out. I mean, what? Whoo, baby, let me work some magic. All right, but I do want to say, look at how well my quick weave is doing. Like I said, it's been a little over a week, and look at this. It's still in so good. Everything look good. So, let me go with this, baby. Yeah, this look good. Let me keep it like this. But it's a little frizzy already, so I'm gonna go with my first choice and crimp it because the crimps was gorgeous. So let me crimp it and I'll be back. Okay, so you have curly, and you have the crimps. Whew, my legs were on fire. Why am I eating a cookie? Y'all, look at this. Forget that hot comb, baby. I just straightened it with this. So now that I got that straight, see you. Okay, so makeup done. Let's take out these clips. Ooh, baby, she cute. Can't really tell that I still got my edges braided up. I ain't fooling with them edges. This is all I needed out. All of this perimeter and stuff left out. No, ma'am. No. Not when your hair this long. It's a no. So here's the finished look with the crimps. All right, y'all, so this is 2 weeks later. 2 weeks that I've had in this quick weave. And it's been 4 days since I crimped my hair. I crimped my hair 4 days ago, and look how good it looked. Like, the older the crimps, the better it looked. I haven't touched my leave out again. My leave out is a little crunchy because I sprayed all that spritz. So, got a little white cast on it, but yeah. Yeah, so I'm definitely ready to take out these bundles, wash them, and save them. Because they did really good. See, they look so good still. 2 weeks later, and I really didn't wear my hair curly because trying to match my texture hair with this curly hair was just nerve-wracking. And honestly, I really didn't even try hard. I probably could have just did some small little rollers all around for my leave out, but I just didn't feel like it, so I just wore it this way. Yeah, still cute. Quick weave still look good. No track slipped out, anything like that. Just gorgeous. So let me show you how I remove my quick weave. So because I use that Morning Glory, I can easily just pull it. Like, look how easy it just comes off. With ease. I can just pull it off because the cap is still here. The cap is on your head. But just to be on the safe side, I'm going to take some of my hair oil and just put that all throughout. And now it really comes off super easy. Okay, wait a minute. You right there. Let's see. And if this wasn't working, I would resort to my conditioner. But this is working, so yeah. Just pull it off. Oh. Yeah, so let me wash my girl and put her out for later. So take a little bit more oil so we get this cap off. Take a little conditioner. Any type of conditioner. I don't know where my mama got that from. Ooh, it itch. Okay, so for the cap, I'm just going to go and wash it off. All right, really quick, I have shampoo on my hair and I started to pull it up, but I want to show you guys how easy it comes off. Like, look. And all I did was I just wet the cap and then I put shampoo on it. You see this? Right there, a little bit more. Cap off. Now I'm gonna take out these braids, and see, I'm able to take out my braids with ease because I put the Morning Glory on my actual hair and not just the wig cap. See? Combing right through it. So yeah, let me finish. All right, I combed out all of my braids. I did get some shedding, not too bad. And then I have like little tiny pieces of glue like that. See, just a little bit. And I haven't put any more product on my hair since the first time. But yeah, everything is out. That's how you remove a quick weave. And I'll see you guys next time. Let me know if you have any questions. See ya.